In this video, we will take a look at how to plan graduate courses using the Student Planning and Registration tool in Self-Service. When you find a section, you can add it to your academic plan. To add a section to your academic plan, select Add Section to Schedule. Continue planning your courses. To view your academic plan, select Academics, Student Planning and Registration, Plan, Schedule, and Register. Ensure you are reviewing the correct term. Sections that fit in your academic plan will appear in brown. Sections with conflicting schedules will appear in red. To view different sections, click View Other Sections. These will appear on your plan as shaded. Add and remove course sections to your plan until you are happy with your schedule. Once registration opens, return to your plan to easily register for the term.